All right, this is going to be a real quick video. This is a couple of bender dies. It'll kind of go in concert, lost the word I was looking for, with my longer bender video. But one of these dies is from Woodward Fab and was full price, 280 bucks. And one of them was from MaxSpeeding Rods, and they did not send it to me for free like they were doing to every YouTuber a couple years ago. I paid $90 for it. Full disclosure, MaxSpeeding Rods did actually send me some stuff back then, but I was trying to get them to like put together a turbo kit for you guys, like put these 4 things in a kit and sell it, and they wouldn't do it. So I kept their stuff and I never sent it back, and I never did a review. And that's where the driveway engineer MaxSpeeding Rods relationship left off. But I'm not going to let that get in the way of a good deal, if there is such a thing. So we'll compare these dies and see if there's any reason why, for your Black Friday $170 tube bender that I hope you got when I put the link up, if you wanted one, Eco Trick, which actually makes electric bikes. When we were looking at electric bikes, Eco Trick came up all the time. Weird, huh? One's packaged better than the other. This is the part that holds the die. A little bolt and a little wrench. That's the follower. And this is the actual die from brand A. I'm trying to do this blind, but I'm also trying to not drop my camera. This one's in a little box, which is lovely. I'm gonna set you guys aside here for a moment and get these out. I'll be right back. All right, so laid out side by side, they're incredibly similar. This one has like a brown tint to it and actually appears to be thicker than the other one. I don't know if that's better or worse. The tint, both of these are machine like sloped. I don't know if that's intentional. I assume it must be. Neither of them have a good radius. One of the things I see people complain about, oh, this one does have a nice radius, that it chews up their pipe, their tube, because when it gets drug in, oh yeah, it's got a really nice chamfer on it. And this one's just like wire burned the way it is. This one has like a gouge in it. Nothing on that side. I think that's the back side. This one's all chewed up. All right, let me grab my calipers here. Just for shits and giggles. I can't really measure and hold you guys up, but we got like, I don't know. This is not quite a 1/4 inch, not quite an 1/8 of an inch, about 200 thou. This is the same thickness. Weird, because they don't at all look the same thickness. Within 15 thou. This hole is about 980. This hole is a little over 1, so that'll be a sloppier fit for the pin. Trying to do this like one-handed, it sucks. That hole is right at 900. This hole is, bear with me folks, much smaller. 860, 900. So I've seen people, let's see, that hole is at about 885. This hole is at about 870. So they're not the same. And just to clear this up, this is the Woodward Fab at 280 bucks. This is a MaxSpeeding Rods at 90 bucks. So, I guess I'm going to hold on to this a little bit longer because I don't see any reason why I can't fix anything that's wrong with that and use it. But I want to verify that the pins for my bender actually fit through it. Drilling this does not look at all fun. So, yeah, I guess stay tuned and I'll bring you guys back.